Do you know what this is? So I finally decided to give one of these a try. Before I buy my own, I borrowed one from my buddy. It's supposed to have good jump start power, but we're gonna give it a try today. If you don't know what this is pretty much what it used to be. This one is the EverStart Max. It has 400 peak cranking amps. It's rechargeable with a 5-volt USB input. To use it, all you gotta do is you peel this flap back right here, and then you take this piece here, you plug it all the way in, it's gonna blink, and then once it turns solid, you should be able to crank it up. The battery on this car is completely dead. It's been sitting for about 3 months. My battery is connected. My light is turned solid green. Wow. Cranked up instantly, and I was able to get it running after 3 months of sitting with a dead battery. You can also use it as a power source. You can charge your phone. You can turn it on the side here, plug your USB in there, and you have an instant phone charger. I definitely recommend getting one of these. I give this a grade of 9 out of 10.